Just last night, a missing persons report rocked the house of a local St. Albans resident. 17-year-old Chris Lovejoy, a BFA junior, didn't...
Okay, Nathan, how you doing?
Hey, how's it going?
This is my dad, Gus. Dad, this is Nathan, Nathan Daniels. It's my brother, Matthew, over there.
Nice to meet you.
Daniels, huh?
Yeah.
Your parents own the bank?
Yes, they do. How about you? What do you do?
I cook.
Okay.
Well, you want to go hang out and watch the movie?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm trying to pay attention. I really am.
Okay, hint. So you know, like, the family's been a little weird, like, the dad's been a little creepy, there's the weird blind dude, like, that's all they're building. Like, what do you think they've been building towards?
A really mediocre film.
No, it's a good movie.
I'm trying. Although the creepy dad does remind me of your dad.
My dad?
Yeah. You don't think he's a little off?
No, he's my dad.
Okay, but like, I don't know, he seems a little creepy.
Did he say something?
No, but he didn't seem like he wanted me around. Yeah, I don't know, it was awkward tension in the room.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Is that like a bird?
We have a lot of Phoebe birds this time of year.
Huh. I don't think I see anything.
Where's your bathroom?
If you go around the corner, it's right down.
Oh, hi.
What are you doing here?
Bathroom. Do you know where the bathroom is? Thank you.
Dinner's ready. Something the matter?
He knows. Yeah.
Nathan, wait! Nathan, please! Your family's insane! No, we're not! I promise you, just listen.
You're eating people!
While Chris Lovejoy is yet to be found, a second BFA student has been reported missing this week, Nathan Daniels. The Daniels family anxiously awaits further information on their son in the following days to come. Please report any sightings immediately.